Morning everyone, welcome back to ClickASnap 46. 46. Okay. So, if you haven't already seen it, I'm just going to dive straight into this, it's easier. ClickASnap put a post on their discussions page outlining what's going on with the website and the old developers. I'll show you what they've put. I'll also put a link in the description to the group and the post. So if you want to join the group and you want to read the post properly, you can. But this is the post that Tom put up. Now, I'll leave it there for a little bit, so while I'm chatting you can talk about it, or you can have a look. But in a nutshell, basically what it's saying is, over the last 13 months, they've spent £500,000 with the old developers. They've constantly not hit targets, not delivered on what they said they were going to. It's basically got to the point now that ClickASnap and Tom has lost patience with them, so they have cut all ties and are seeking, I think it's seeking legal top lawyers to relevant actions. Basically, they're seeing if they can get the money back from them. Which, when you spend £500,000, I'd be doing the same as well. Even if the company's worth 20 million, £500,000 is not to be sniffed at. Going forward, they've appointed Blue Frontier, which is basically a company in the UK developers, or they're a company, yeah, you know what I mean. They're a development company in the UK. They have putting together strategies and things to get the site up and running, hopefully within, I'm sure it says, where are we? Around 6 months. But in the meantime, I'm just reading this myself. I've read it before 4 times, but I don't want to say anything that I'm not supposed to. Anyway, so they're going to try and stabilise the old site and get the new site up and running within 6 months. Now, I've been waiting, and I know a lot of others have been waiting for the new site to come out, because the things that were planned for the new site looked really good. New things to sell. It'll be, if you're on Redbubble, most of the things that are on Redbubble that you can sell are going to be on ClickASnap. So you get the added bonus of being able to sell stuff, but you're getting paid for views as well as. So, you know what I'm saying. If there's anything you think would be a benefit to the new site, you can either join the group and put a suggestion, I suggest that we could do this for the new site, or you can put it in here, because I'm sure Tom will watch this video and go, got another one. Yeah, basically, if there's anything you feel that the site could benefit from, bear in mind, yes, it's going to be a photo sharing site, but it's also, I think Tom's edging towards a social media platform, not like Facebook, not like Instagram, not like Twitter, but something maybe a bit of each, if you know what I mean. So if there's anything you feel that could be put into it to make it better, because I have my opinions, you have yours, Tom has his, but a community basically putting all bits in would make the site better, in my opinion. And I think Tom's in the same light. I'm sure he says questions or comments below, he'll reply as soon as possible. But you know what I mean, I know there's things that he's putting in the new site. It's been documented on here. I've put stuff on my videos that are things which are coming. So just keep an eye out, because things are going to update. Things are definitely going to update on the old site, because there's too many things that are going wrong to leave it like it is. So as far as I'm aware, they're doing a deep dive on what they can get done, and that should be done by the end of this month. Then they're going to stabilise this site, but they've already started on the new site. So say they start at the beginning of April, so that's April, May, June, July, August, September. So hopefully end of September-ish, we should have a new site. Fingers crossed. That being said, I'll show you my figures like I always do. I'm always transparent with stuff like this. Show you what I've earned. And then I have some news of my own I want to share. So, figures. Well, as you can see, 1.1k photos, 3.8k followers, 78.1k views. Thanks for that. It means a lot that you people are actually looking at stuff. 22.1k likes. Thank you again for liking something, sharing it, posting it on your feed. Like I said to you in one of the earlier videos, if you can use a feed, which only pro accounts can, use it. Don't abuse it, just use it. Post 2 or 3 photos 2 or 3 times a day. You will see a difference in your views and what you're making. Now there is a video out there. I think it's video 44. Could be wrong. Anyway, so on Excel, today's date, obviously, what I've just told you thingy wise, I've made $20.52 in 91 days, which works out to be an average of 22.5 cents per day. And that's in 91 days. So 3 months. So I've covered quite easily, I would have thought, what it's cost me in them 3 months. You know what I mean? I'll make a little bit of money. I mean, it's only pence, but I've made a little bit. It's better than nothing. So they're the figures. I've told you about the new site. My news is this. I've just spent some money on a new camera body. Enough to basically buy a little car. I've ordered myself a Z7 II with a 24-70mm f4 lens and the adapter, so I can use my old existing lenses on the camera. I'm hoping to have that in the next 10 days, but we'll have to wait and see. So expect lots and lots of stuff on a Z7 II Nikon from me. That's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Would be most grateful for that. I will put the links down in the description to Tom's post in the group, so you can read that. I might even just copy it and paste it into the description itself. So anyway, onwards and upwards. We can only go forward, we can only build it up, and let's keep going, because the site, like I keep on saying, is growing fast. See you on the next one. Bye now.